This is Coley and Jesse riding a bike together. They're pretty stupid. One of them will probably fall off. Word of advice: don't try this at home. Right now I don't know where they are. But it's a beautiful day though. Hot, but they're just not here. Okay, we're gonna take a little walk over here because they disappeared. Yeah, they're not anywhere to be found. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna turn this off now. Bye. Remember, you got them riding a bike together. That should be your first clue not to try this.